Hi Peyton, showing you something really exciting that I've done on my Pan America. So I used to face the problem of the brush guard, the engine guard being too narrow, and every fall I had on an off-roading event was I either catching my knee or I was damaging a lot on my motorcycle. So what I have designed now is this extender plate which has a 3-point mount onto the brush guard, no modification, and you have the option of either choosing two sliders like that, one on top of each other on both sides, or you can use it to mount a lockable jerrycan, and also you have the option of going in for another storage space here, like what you see. So this also has a slider plate below. So if your bike falls, the slider plate is the one which will take the impact. Hope you guys like it.